Warning. This video is specially designed to be viewed by mature audiences only and is unsuitable as fuck for children 17 and under.
Happy New Year's!
Yeah, Happy New Year's!
Alright, it's New Year's Eve, 2019, about to go into 2020 right here. Doing some Uber driving. Uber driving is supposed to be super good tonight, so hopefully it fucking pays out. I'll fucking do a screenshot of what I make at the end of the night so you know how it panned out and all that good stuff. I haven't done a dash cam video in a minute, so I figured I would fucking start by doing one of these. Fucking New Year's Eve drunken mishaps or whatever the fuck, you know what I mean? So, if you like this kind of shit, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, well then you can fuck off. Check out my link, floresdesign.bigcartel.com. Follow me on Instagram at _floresdesign. Don't forget to check out my Patreon link too for some exclusive Patreon type shit. And I'm in a high traffic area right now, so we'll see how it goes. Alright. First ride of the night. It's probably going to be pretty chill. I would assume pretty lame. It's pretty early still. It's only 8 o'clock.
Using the left lane, make a left turn on North Murray
It's not
Boulevard.
supposed to be picking up real good until after midnight when all the motherfuckers start getting out of the bars and shit, you know? Right now, motherfuckers are not even getting to the bars yet. It's fucking early. How you doing, William? How you doing? How you guys doing? Got some waters and some suckers right there in that cooler for free to help yourselves.
Bro, I'm so fucking thirsty. It's going to the Cinemark movie theater, right?
Yep.
We're all going. Someone's got to sit in the front. He's got it. Who's sitting in the front?
I'll sit in the front.
I'm sitting in the front.
As long as Bill
Bill has the vodka.
vodka.
Hi.
How you doing?
How are you?
Doing well.
Oh,
Good.
you got vodka?
Oh. Veronica? There. Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's
we have
cool.
to bring her. She's our dog. We're really nice people, and I will give you a tip.
Outstanding. I
Yeah.
appreciate
Sorry. You're working on New Year's. Are you working the whole night?
it. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
probably good money, but it probably also sucks. Are you Adrian?
I am
Oh, you're
Adrian.
Adrian. I was gonna scooch, but I thought he was coming on the other side, so I didn't want to scooch. So you just close the door and hop on the other side. We're only doing one more. Hold on. He just had to get the vodka.
It's all good.
Yeah, no, he had to get the vodka.
How the hell are you?
How you doing? How you doing?
Dude, how are you doing?
Got some waters back there. Some suckers for free to help
Oh my
yourselves.
gosh, he has all kinds of
I
things.
really just need the vodka.
Just need the vodka. That's
I
what's
just
up.
need the vodka. That's really all I need. And I think Bill
He's getting the vodka.
is gonna get the vodka.
No, like I understand like a lot of it, but that was still a compliment.
I appreciate your patience.
Yeah, it's all good, man.
I love it.
No, I really do.
It wasn't
Veronica,
like he,
do you have like
purposely was-
massive cash on you?
Yeah.
She carries cash. I do not carry cash.
Shit, I don't know many people that do these days, man.
But
Well, I don't know. I'm just super laid back.
your patience,
Yeah, exactly.
bro. No, seriously. Is your time money?
Or if
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
asks
That's
you to
what
go
you're
to
selling
sleep, like,
right
you
now.
have
It's
to
time,
do
right?
kids.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
No, bro.
Shit, normally I charge about
No.
16 bucks an hour, but
Other side.
Yeah.
Uber gets it for cheap.
Babe, will you go to the other side?
Trust me, bro. Got you.
Hell yeah.
All we need to do is get to my place, which I'm pretty sure I could have bought
Yeah, we bought Tito's.
it
That was
by
the one with the
myself.
No,
But
it's vodka. Tito's is vodka.
I have two DUIs.
Did you put in your
where
address
the
on it?
bitches are arguing.
Yeah.
Yeah, your kind of opinion is.
Oh no, we're going to.
Did I not put it in?
Nah, yeah, I was just waiting for the GPS to kick in. Sometimes it flips you around or something.
Where the
you know?
fuck is that?
It's our place, bruh.
It's a lot of things, but I know that's not where my apartment is.
No, it's a house, bruh.
Oh shit.
It's where Lady resides.
Oh
Let's us visit there
shit.
sometimes.
Just ahead, make a left turn on Bradley Road.
This is Avery,
Well,
our Uber driver.
Fuck.
Yup.
Yeah, let's not listen to Uber, the driver. Or not that. I'll tell you the quickest way.
All right.
Take a right at the stop sign.
Gotcha.
Make a left turn on Bradley Road.
Guess what we're
Actually,
not
you know what? We
doing?
can take
We're not.
Bradley. Bradley's fine.
We're
Left or
not
right on
doing
Bradley?
what I
Take you
thought
to
we were
Bradley.
doing.
So you want
that's
to go
cool.
left or you want to go right?
You can go left. It's fine.
All right.
It's a little bit longer, but it's easier.
Hey.
So you don't have to hear me.
Smells like fire.
No, man, this is like delicious up in here.
Oh yeah, that's up. Try to keep it nice.
Delicious.
Or a BMW. What is it? Acura?
Yeah, it's a little TL.
Low TL up in here. Manual, dude. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can drive.
Yeah, I can drive.
Oh.
Shit, when I was in the army, I got a medal for driving, yo.
Oh fuck! When he's in the army, he's dropping that bomb.
Hell yeah.
What'd you do in the army, player?
I was a gunner, but I was a fueler down here in Benton Garrison. Oh yeah.
Quarter mile, make a right turn on
Mommy.
the expressway using the oncoming right lane.
Cheers to you, bro.
Thank you, sir.
I spent a day or two in the army myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up?
Isaiah's truck too. You gotta
Couple
go
of
there.
days.
A couple of days.
Right lane,
Couple
make
of
a right
days.
turn on Hancock
Mine gets only
Expressway.
17 a gallon.
Yeah, I spent a few years.
You know, a couple of days.
17
For
miles.
sure, for sure.
Couple of
Most cars get like 30.
Doesn't drive it. You just don't see that anymore.
I don't know, man. It's
And
almost
I
like
love it.
a
It's-
modern day anti-theft system for
It
youngsters, yo.
is, right? Oh shit! I'm not gonna sleep.
I know, man.
Because how do I drive that thing?
I know, this fool is fucking jump in the ride. He'd be like, what the fuck? There's 2 brake pedals.
Oh shit! Right?
You'll take a left right here.
Gotcha.
I was like, what did she do?
Pass. Still an expert. Oh my god, that is so awesome.
Way better than you.
Really? On your and it's echoing. That's hilarious. You can hear the echo from his phone.
Where are we fucking going, bro?
We're gonna go to my house.
Okay, fine. You got a pool table, right? Oh shit, dude's got a pool table.
That's what's up, man. Pool tables are nice to pass out on sometimes.
They are.
A little uncomfortable, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Nah.
We're lucky.
You still got like 45 minutes.
Oh yeah,
We'll get there, don't worry about it.
It's 11:13. We're almost there.
Shit, I'll get you to your
You got
destination.
thrown off
Yeah.
this bitch because I spilled my
Wait,
drink.
who's lady?
What?
Yeah, I know. I spilled my drink.
Dang.
Yeah. Hook her
I done
all
gave you
like.
some wipies, yo.
Yeah, no. Instead of that, she got all like violence. Do you know what I mean? Like.
Yeah, that's not
I
good.
know.
That's why you carry towels, man. I got towels for shit like
And
that.
she's got like kids. She's getting like upset at me for like fucking being wasted, spilling my shit.
I don't know this area at all.
So we're like Ubering out this motherfucker, you know what I mean? It's crazy, but you know, this is the truth. The
Adam's
truth.
house. I never
Hell
been
yeah.
to him in my
Yeah,
life.
the last thing I'm gonna do is get mad at some dude for accidentally catching an elbow
I know.
on his vodka. You know what I'm saying? Which
Hell
is
yeah.
exactly, I mean, I just caught an elbow on that bitch.
Just a little blow.
A little bump, and next thing you know, it's on the carpet. So I got us all ejected from the party, you you know.
Bummer.
I know.
But at least you got the vodka.
Yeah, no. Well, Dubro's got a vodka,
But
but I got this motherfucker right here.
Hell yeah.
Which is what I spilled, and I stole their cup.
He doesn't go to work until 5.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the feet, man.
Yeah.
That's the.
I'm gonna keep this motherfucker in my fucking cupboard too. And I'm really proud of it.
Hell yeah.
To go to work.
And I'm now gonna drink vodkas out of this bitch. Like, yeah.
Okay, so this is a weird
Vodka and Mountain Dew, man.
Yeah, well, it's fucking. It's
So, like, on my first day back.
kicked me out that
Like
shit
tonight,
on
he
New
would stay
Year's
as late as
Eve.
possible. Yeah, he wants to stay up super late tonight, like 2 or 3.
All mad and shit.
It's a day to get faded, man.
It is. It's either you're faded or you're an Uber driver making money off motherfuckers getting faded.
Hell yeah.
Right? You're
Yep.
you're one of the two.
Yeah, not a Saturday.
Or both.
Seriously.
What? It was his day off.
Yeah. So
That's why he tries to stop.
get him.
He's not doing it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's no gym. It's my next day. Tomorrow's my sleep-in day to confirm.
A little
I
turbo,
gotta try to
huh?
sleep in as long as I can. In other words, I'm up for 37 pounds.
Because it's New Year's anyway, so
Where the fuck?
You Academy, yo. Academy
Oh
in
yeah,
Shelton.
Academy? Sheldon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he like, yeah.
So
I
once
was
I'm
like
up,
massively confused there for a second.
Looks like we're coming up here by the Sam's Club.
that's why I was drinking
All right.
Just
coffee
mention
while I was
sleep and I
drinking.
can sleep.
Alright, Sheldon up in this bitch. Alright, we're Academy.
Anyone just mentions the nap and I'm like, I'm down.
But it's crazy, like, my day goes anywhere between 5:40 at work. That's where I start. To about 7:30.
Yeah, I know. No, see, that was the thing. When I worked 5 to 5, I was on salary, so it wasn't really bad. It was like 5.
Oh, I've never heard this song before. Can you please turn it up?
You can, yo.
This is a joke.
I'm there till 8.
They're playing this motherfucker like, oh my god. Are we supposed to like this song or
I
what?
thought you were serious. I'm glad you
No,
were
no,
joking, yo.
no.
We'll take a right
No,
right
I'm
here.
serious. Like, what the fuck?
I don't know, man.
It's like terrible, right?
Hell yeah.
No, it's like every fucking other fucking song is this fucking shit.
That's overplayed like a
Oh, overplayed like holy fuck. It was a good song like 4 fucking months ago when he was not fucking stabbing it out, you know what I mean?
I know.
Yeah, fuck, shit. And I'm from Minnesota, and I love the Minnesota Vikings stab, but it's still overplayed.
Hell yeah.
Like 5 seconds.
The fucking Minnesota Vikings punch.
I don't know how low your car is, but there's a big dip coming up, so be careful. Swing to the right if you can.
Gotcha. It's pretty low, too. It's got 2 inches.
Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Shit. Whoa. Overplayed ass hooker shit.
Oh, he just said his name.
Drop off Phil now.
Drop off Phil.
That's gonna be to the
Phil,
right
get the
here.
fuck out the car. I'm about ready now.
You can pull into the driveway.
Yeah.
Alright.
We just keep it pushing like,
Alright.
Hey,
I
B.
appreciate it. Thank you
Not a
so
problem.
much.
You guys have a good night.
Hey, B, can you hook this motherfucker up? No, can you hook this motherfucker up? This is my girl right here. She's gonna
Hell yeah.
about straight up. Minnesota Vikings.
Oh, it's all good. It's all good. No hurry.
Brusky.
Dude,
Man, it was a pleasure.
thank you.
Yes,
I
thank
No, it was
appreciate
a
it.
pleasure.
Thanks for
No, it was a
New Year's.
pleasure.
You guys enjoy
Happy
the rest of the night.
motherfucker.
Happy New Year's,
Happy
man.
Drive safe,
Happy New
Adrian.
Year's.
We'll give you 5 stars.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Someone's gonna give him 5 stars.
I can't get on this side because I can't hop my feet.
So I'm gonna go
You got that
like
there? I just
pee
can't
on
hop
my
my feet over.
shoes. I don't know.
No? You said you had
All right, man. Take it easy.
Oh man. Easy, bro.
Do you have a bag?
Yep.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, yo.
Motherfucker.
Oh, it's right there. I got it.
Oh yeah, don't forget your bag. Yeah.
We got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good night.
You as well.
Thank you.
Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year's, yo. That was the fucking best Uber ride I've fucking caught on video so far. That's fucking fantastic. I gotta save that shit for show. Hopefully I get some better ones throughout the night after I fucking come back out after the ball drops. But that shit was fucking funny. That fool was cracking me up. Like, what the fuck? This fool.
Happy New Year's.
Hey, where at your stop, guys? Hey, yo. Hey, man. We're at your stop, yo. Yo. Hey, man. We're at your stop, yo. Yo, we're at your stop, man.
96.1, The Beat. Alright, there is Mustard Roddy Rich. What's up? It's Christina now. I'm not sure.
It's all good, yo. Go through the app, man.
Celebrated his 1-year anniversary of
Take it
his
easy.
service. He held one down at Skid Row in LA. He took to the Union Rescue Mission. And he offered food and some spiritual guidance for the needy.
Alright, fellas, take it easy.
He spoke on several topics, including
No problem, dude.
crisis in America and how Sunday service itself actually saved him. You can check out more.
Appreciate it. Happy New Year's.
On our website.
Hello, everybody. Benny Bass from Bass That Book from the Jason and Benny Morning Show on 107.9 KBPI South.
You good, yo?
Holiday season, stress, the hustle and bustle of shopping, pains of travel. So it's also time we
Hell
get
yeah,
together
that's
with
fucking
family and
icy
friends.
as fuck out
Normally I
there.
give gambling advice or make bad jokes on a morning show. I'm not here for that. I am, however, here to tell you to enjoy every minute, enjoy your loved ones, and take time to appreciate what you have done or what you have made it through over this past year.
I got that on
Sincerely
video.
and truthfully from everyone at Bass That Book.
All right. Successful night of New Year's Eve Ubering. It's 3:45 right now. Calling it a night. I'll put my screenshot up there. I think I made a little over $200, not including cash tips. If I was including cash tips, it'd probably be like $230, $235, somewhere around there. But I really wish I had a bigger memory card. That way I could have fit all the fucking the whole night up there. You know, I'm only gonna be able to put a little bit up there. You know, if you like this kind of shit, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Check out my link, floresdesign.bigcartel.com. Follow me on Instagram at _floresdesign. Make sure you check out my fucking Patreon account for exclusive Patreon only type shit. And yeah, I think that's it. First day of 2020. Successfully made some fucking money. That's what's up. Till next time, I'm out.